What's up, y'all? So, we are on our way. Well, we about to go to Galveston. Calvin woke me up. It is 8 o'clock. So, I just need to brush my teeth. He's in here cooking. What's up with ham,
What's up with it?
Still don't like to be on camera. Job quest.
I say travelers quest. I think we should just get everybody up and just go. We got fruit in the car. And we just
Okay.
get in the street on the ride. I got some snacks.
Fit check, some like your bitch strip. What? I'm like,
Make your bitch sweet.
oh, you know it. How you know that? Cause what?
She heard a player nigga say that shit.
How you know?
Cause I'm that little player nigga.
What the apple and stuff? What the apples at?
Well, I ain't getting no
What
nut.
the apples?
I ain't getting no apple.
You ain't get nothing.
Cause I ain't getting nothing. You gonna have to cut everything right there. You can use with your hands to eat.
You look like you just woke up too. See that cross section you got back there? With it.
So we talking about it now. We gonna see if she go, you know what I'm
Oh,
saying?
he live. Let him
Cause
talk.
look, I got something I want her to participate in. This her just me my first time telling her. I want you to participate in the mud run.
What mud run?
It's like over like 2 miles, but they got like obstacles and shit like that. Like you crawl up.
Why would you say that on camera?
Come on, you got it. Like you on this journey, like you working out. I know I could do it, but somebody gotta watch the kids. So I was like, you could make your content, you know, and then, but they know I could do it.
They don't know you can do it.
You know I could do it.
We got Clifford.
Let's get you on this path. This is a journey for you. This Africa, this bragging rights right here. I did this. Are you upset
about TikTok?
Are you upset about the challenge, right?
I'm upset that you did it on camera.
Yeah, I did. Just give it up.
I could do. You gotta let me see. What type of obstacles? First of all,
See my phone.
I know you put your phone there.
See, I was gonna do.
Bubble run. You looking at what is?
It's the same thing. It's a bubble. I was gonna do a volunteer. You know what I'm saying? And like you could cheer people on the side. Like yeah, but I was gonna take the kids with me. So that way, like they got a begin volunteer and the end volunteer. Like you encouraging people at the beginning, at the end.
I
Like
thought you said you was gonna volunteer me.
no, like volunteer. Like basically you could basically tell them like you could participate in cheering on for the people.
So fun.
Muddy Dash. You want to see it on TikTok?
I want to see it. Yeah, I want to see a video of somebody doing it.
I don't think y'all did see the post. You got it. You could go at your own pace. They say kids as young as 7 do it. And that's the bubble run. At the end, you finish. They give them their medals and stuff. That's why I was going to volunteer for. Like, we're at the end waiting on you. But that's how I was going to get the free pass to get the keys. And we just waiting on you at the end. You know what I'm saying? That's the little track. You know what I'm saying? Get the free pass to get in so we ain't got to pay. You know what I'm saying? We could just go to the festival because you participated with it. But we volunteers. So.
It is 2 miles.
I think it's like 2. I think it's 2 miles. But it's obstacles though. It ain't like you running the whole 2 miles. You just doing different stuff. And you going at your own pace. Like, you going at your own pace. It ain't like it's a race. It's basically just.
Don't be so dirty.
Of course, that's the point. Like.
So there was a lot of people, as you can see. So it wasn't really a run to get to the first obstacle course, which was this.
I want to do it together, but we ain't got nobody to watch the kids like that.
It was very sticky. And this was the first
Nah, you better get Christopher.
messed up. And then we continued through the
Watch these kids at the finish line.
But it was a lot of fun because everybody was real friendly. And now
Just
we
had
ended
a
the show was
baby.
actually
Hey, I ain't even, because I had recorded, but I ain't finished the video. Our nephew just had a baby. He just had a baby. And he's so cute. Damn, everybody got a jacket but me. You got everybody a jacket. You ain't got me a jacket. You don't like being on camera. You don't like being on Front Street.
Thank you, man.
I ain't give me no jacket. Something like what? What you need your ear for? You better tuck that motherfucker for I snatch you.
What you need your ear for? I shouldn't put it on there either.
Hey, you don't need what? You should put on what? That ain't jewelry. That's a piece of your skin.
That's like on my face.
That ring's a piece of your skin. That's not an accessory.
Hey, man. Say, man, what's up? What you need? Thank you. Get out.
But then, come here, my dad. So what? Come on, baby. Still ain't get a jacket. I guess I go get my own.
I don't know what jacket you want to wear.
Hey, you ain't know what jacket they want to wear. It's cool. I'm gonna get my pink one. That's right there. It's cool. Tell Mr. come on.
You want to argue? You want to argue? Because we can argue. We can argue. Find your own fucking jacket. If that's what you want to do, nigga. Shit.
Like old times.
Like old times. Bitch, I said get your own jacket. I thought you said you wanted.
First of all, I think we should explain to them what old times are. So, first of all, our neighbors used to argue. Hold on, Abigail.
Get out, get out.
Our neighbors used to argue, and we used to be like trying to fit in with them because we didn't argue like that. Even our neighbors now, they argue. Hey,
Say, bro, they used to be getting the police called and all that. So we feel like some rain ass is like, man, everybody all peaceful and shit over here. So we screaming at each other, but we just screaming at each other through the wall like,
Get out of
motherfucker, would you texting that nigga or not? But we just said it loud. So.
there was no nigga. There was no nigga. There was nobody.
We was just doing that shit so
Okay,
they
so-
could feel like, oh, them niggas ain't perfect.
What you just said? You said
What?
something, bitch.
I said, bitch, find your own jacket.
Is that what you said? Why would you say something like that?
She said it's too personal, nigga. We just was talking about it.
That's How I'm supposed to come up off of that? What I'm supposed to say?
You can say anything.
Abigail, go ahead. Take out in the room. I'm about to get in there. Ever since you asked me to eat your ass and I said no, now you tripping. I gotta get my own damn jacket. Now you tripping because I ain't want to eat your ass. Hell no, he talking to you.
What the fuck?
You said I can say anything.
Why would you go there?
First of all, you said bitch. I gotta come swing. I gotta go swing. They're like, oh man, I didn't even know like he liked this stuff. And you talking to him, look. You like his ass face. Dude's a fucking weirdo, bro. So now you quiet. Yeah, nah, I get my own jacket. Ew, I want a video.
That's what y'all niggas want for y'all. I can't stand that shit. Hey, look, man. If he want that, God got 3,000 from you, man.
Whoa. You don't compare that to what you were just doing. Don't do that.
He don't love you like that, bro. I can never look at you the same. That's just me being honest with you, man. You sloppy, all like, you,
Oh my God.
Boy would never look at you the same, man. You slept. You never. And then they wonder why he moved the ride. Girl, you just showed him you at your worst.
Don't put that back.
You at your worst, nigga. So every time now you say, I'm talking to somebody else, he ain't thinking about nothing else but how that's sloppy. How that's sloppy.
Niggas say, that's
Hey, God damn, that's why them niggas be going crazy, my
That's
nigga.
why they be like the G.
Did what you did with it? Facts, nigga. For real, nigga.
Hey, so,
That's some game for you, man. Don't ever give a nigga that, man. Let that nigga do that with the breezes, with the side pieces, man.
you almost got punched in your neck.
Well, I almost get punched in my neck.
Let that nigga do that with the side pieces. Calvin. Anyway, so y'all basically see I won that argument. Cause
You won that one, man.
Because
That was,
I won that
one and done, man. After that, nigga ain't had nothing else to say after that shit, man.
fuck is you looking at me like that for? Let's go. Now they like, damn, he embarrassed. Now he know he might hear it. He is.
Now you got to go outside and look this nigga in his face when he comes. If they didn't heard
No.
that shit. Whoever done heard this shit. How look, y'all?
He look good, though.
Am I glowing? Please tell me.
Well, get the fuck off.
You have a security problem sometimes.
It's not funny. Some people do. He's lying.
Hey! You gotta shake that shit out with your hips. Look, dude.
Give me the damn phone.
Even if you ain't got nobody else, just
See,
release
you did.
that shit.
You did.
Go.
No. Like this your time to fucking shine. No, nigga. The fuck? Hey,
Man, hey, man.
these women that got on here, he done got 2 compliments. Talking about he's so handsome. Now he on here shaking his ass. I told y'all in other videos he like to shake his ass. Now look at him.
I'm gonna shake my head. What you said?
I feel sleep to talk.
You wanna talk?
Yeah, I want to talk about Callie.
Go talk. Go ahead.
What about my
That's for the video.
Oh, no, it's
Oh yeah, we gotta pause that real quick. Hey, y'all missing this nigga missed the catch. You ain't catching nigga. This nigga always catching stuff and then drop the keys.
Hey.
Get it to your daddy. Hey guys, come in. Come over here. Over here. Hey. You gotta watch out for snakes, okay?
Snakes?
Snakes. Hold on. He got food all on his face. Yeah, my damn leg hurt. This is our first time as a family in Galveston. And our first time at Jamaica Beach.
Jamaica Beach.
It says beware rattlesnakes. Oh my gosh.
Rattlesnakes.
Stop saying it.
That's the
And they said that this water was clear. It's not. It's still Galveston water. You said what, Cal?
That's a beautiful water.
This water's still brown. Oh, my shoes. Come on. Abigail, put it down. Now.
My mom said there was jellyfishes.
I ain't gonna lie, I've never really liked Galveston water. And they said that on TikTok that it was clear. And it's still brown. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's a jellyfish. Baby! It's a jellyfish! It's still alive, don't touch it. You see it moving? That's a jellyfish. Go, Callie. Don't touch it. You can sting you. That's crazy. Then they got these holes. Stuff coming out these holes. Man, yeah, let's go get walk. Y'all watch where y'all stepping. Watch where y'all stepping it, okay? Yeah. But the water's still the same. Watch it, it's another jellyfish right there. I think we need to walk a little bit out, baby. Come this way. What jellyfish is not the stinging type? Somebody built a sand castle.
Don't knock it out. Leave it alone. Yeah, it's too hard. They built the pyramid, they built the ice cream cone. And a slice of pie.
Yeah, Calvin don't want to listen. He wants to get in the water like usual, but if you're from Texas, you know, we don't get in Galveston water. That's why I don't record her at all. And then she, let him do it.
Do the whole thing, Calvin. Yeah, do the whole thing.
Their attitude is really just.
I want to go back.
Callie. Yeah, the attitude is just too much for me. But like I was saying, don't nobody, I'm talking to the camera. Don't nobody don't nobody get in the water at all. If you look all the way down there, everybody got on bathing suits, but nobody's in the water. It's just something that you don't do. Like California, we got in the water. We got in the water everywhere else except for here. You see the butterfly? Hey, no more seashells. And that was my first time seeing a jellyfish. Did you know that? That was my first time seeing a jellyfish.
Me too.
I'd never seen a jellyfish before in person.
You want to go find those birds?
No, leave them birds alone. She always mess with these birds. Where's Callie? Her daddy is fighting to get in that water.
Guys, I cannot believe the silverfish are real.
That was my first time seeing a jellyfish.
Me too. And I
glad we got to see it together. Wouldn't it be cool if we had a jellyfish at home? That don't mean I want to catch one. What is that? The little bird?
No.
The
He
crow?
can run like Speedy Gonzalez. Go out there. Hold on, wait. Run fast. Go.
He gone.
Wait, MJ. Wait. Yeah, go. Free. Okay, let me try to get it. Here. Get these legs.
Go get your brother.
Yeah.
Go get your brother.
MJ, hold it.
Little bird. Right there. Calvin's about to go run.
I'm sorry, Miss Brad.
Oh, he gone. Come on. He started flying. He said, let me pick up.
Nah, let me get
Yeah, I think it's time to go. I think we're done.
Don't let it go. Look. Oh.
So, would you agree?
Take a sit down.
What do you think?
What?
What you think? What time is it?
Yeah, we good. Let's go.
About that time. She talking about let's go over there by that sand. There ain't no damn sand over there to do nothing. Is he alive? He's definitely not alive, guys. I don't know. Get something to push him. Oh, he's alive.
Let me try this.
Don't throw that at him. Callie, come here.
Oh, you found him.
You found him?
No, I was like the pussy.
Alright.
No,
Don't.
because he will mess with you.
Callie. Look.
Come here, Fat Daddy. Come here.
Look. Look.
A pussy.
Oh, he hurt.
He's dead. Oh, he's alive.
I don't know. He made it. He's on the way. He's there. What you say?
I can't believe I just saw my first crab.
And jellyfish.
And
I seen a crab before. I never seen a jellyfish. Yes, sir.
which color was it?
We just seen it.
I mean, yeah.
The crab?
Yeah.
I seen blue crabs.
A blue crab.
Yeah.